नमस्कार बालमित्रांनो. टुडेज वी लर्न मायाज ड्रीम, पेज नंबर 51 and 52, standard 4. Listen and read with me. ऐका आणि माझ्याबरोबर वाचा. Maya the milkmaid was carrying a pot of milk on her head. The milk was fresh and creamy. There is so much milk in the pot. It's rich and creamy. I will make nice thick dahi. With this milk. Then I will churn it and make butter. I will take the butter to the market. Many people will come to buy. The soft and tasty butter. I will sell it at a good price. I will get a lot of money. What shall I do with this money? I know what I will do. I will buy big golden earrings. They will be much better than Mira's earrings. She is always showing them off. But now Mira, just you wait. I will wear them and walk past her like this. Maya began to walk with her head held high. She moved her head slowly.
From side to side.
From side to side.
The milk in her pot rolled gently. Maya went on dreaming. When Meera sees my rings, she will get a surprise. She will say, "Oh,
oh,
what lovely rings!"
what lovely rings.
Wait, Maya, wait.
Wait, Maya, wait.
I want to see your rings. But will I wait? Oh no.
Oh no.
Why should I? Does she ever wait for me? No. I will just toss my head like this. Maya tossed her head with a jerk. And what's this?
And what's this?
Away flew the pot of milk. Out spilled the milk. No milk, no dahi, no butter, no earrings. Maya lost her earrings. Even before she bought them.